What's up everybody, welcome back to the neighbor's kitchen. Today we're baking something that's as simple as it is delicious. Blueberry muffin bread. This bread is perfect for a quick breakfast, a snack, or just when you're craving something comforting. It's easy to make, comes together quickly, and is packed with blueberries. Let's get cooking. First, let's prep our blueberries. Check for any stems and remove them. If so, give them a good rinse and gently pat them dry, being careful not to squish them. Broken berries will add moisture to the batter, adding cook time and creating streaks in your finished product. Now, preheat your oven to 350 degrees and lightly grease your loaf tin. I like to do this early so everything's ready when the batter comes together. In a mixing bowl, combine the bread flour, kosher salt, and baking powder. Use a whisk to evenly incorporate all the dry ingredients, and this step helps avoid overmixing later. Next, add the beaten egg, milk, melted butter, honey, and vanilla extract and mix until smooth and well combined. Now carefully fold in your blueberries. You want them evenly distributed without breaking them. And the reason we don't overwork this batter is it is just the right consistency to keep the berries in suspension instead of falling to the bottom. Now go ahead and pour the batter into your greased loaf tin and bake for 50 to 60 minutes. Keep in mind every oven is different, so be sure to use the toothpick trick. It's done when the toothpick comes out clean. Once finished baking, let the loaf cool in the pan for about 10 minutes before transferring it to a wire rack to cool completely. You can top it with powdered sugar, your favorite icing, or enjoy it plain. Personally, I love a slice with a little bit of butter. Well, what did you all think about that? Did you see how easy that was? No special tools. Came together really quick, minimal ingredients. It's absolutely delicious. And you're gonna love this. Like I said, there's plenty of additions you can do to this. But I think this is perfect just as it is. It's so moist and flavorful. It's a wonderful snack. Totally clears as a dessert. It's kind of a breakfast. It's a wonderful gift. It's one of my favorite things. The texture on the outside is so nice. Oh my goodness. I can't stop. I'm sorry, guys. Don't swap out the bread flour for anything else. Trust me. Y'all, thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you don't mind, hit that like button. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. We got a lot of cool stuff coming up this year. I'm gonna eat 3 to 4 more slices of that, and I will see you next time. Until then, be well.